Did you know that a snail can sleep for up to 3 years? Welcome to the unseen world of animals, where the extraordinary is ordinary. Now, imagine being able to hit the snooze button for 3 whole years. That's the life of a snail. This isn't your typical 8-hour beauty sleep. No, it's a deep, restful slumber known as hibernation. Like a deep-sea diver plunging into the ocean's depths, a snail retreats into its shell, slowing its metabolism to a crawl. It's a survival strategy, an adaptation against harsh conditions and scarcity of food. But this is just a glimpse into the captivating world of animals, a world that's teeming with remarkable diversity and ingenious adaptations. A world where the ordinary rules of life get twisted, turned, and entirely rewritten. In this fascinating realm, a tiny hummingbird's wings can flap at an astounding 80 times per second, and the heart of a blue whale, the largest creature on Earth, beats at a leisurely pace of just 8 to 10 times per minute. Consider the cheetah, the epitome of speed, clocking in at a breathtaking 60 miles per hour. Then there's the sloth, the embodiment of slow, yet an undisputed champion at the survival game in its own right. From the deepest ocean trenches to the highest mountain peaks, animals have carved out their niches, each one developing its own unique strategy for survival. Some have evolved to become masters of disguise, blending seamlessly with their surroundings. Others have developed extraordinary senses like the bat's echolocation or the shark's ability to detect electrical fields. Each animal in its own unique way adds a vibrant thread to the intricate tapestry of life on Earth. Their diverse lifestyles and adaptations are a testament to the incredible dynamism and resilience of life itself. But that's just the beginning. The animal kingdom has more surprises in store for us. Imagine being able to taste with your feet. Sounds bizarre, doesn't it? But for butterflies, it's just another day in the park. These delicate creatures have taste receptors on their feet, which allow them to identify the perfect plant on which to lay their eggs. It's like being able to taste the best pizza joint in town just by stepping on the sidewalk. Butterflies aren't the only ones with unusual senses. Take the star-nosed mole, for instance. This peculiar-looking creature has a nose with 22 tiny pink tentacles that act as ultra-sensitive touch receptors. It can identify and eat a worm in less than a quarter of a second. That's faster than the human eye can blink. Moving from the ground to the sky, let's talk about bats. These nocturnal creatures have an extraordinary sense of hearing. Using a technique called echolocation, bats emit high-pitched sounds that bounce off objects in their environment, helping them navigate in the dark. Underwater, the platypus uses a similar technique, but with a twist. This semi-aquatic mammal can detect electric fields produced by the tiny contractions of muscles and nerves in its prey. It's like having your own built-in metal detector, but for food. Speaking of food, have you ever wondered how vultures can eat rotten meat without getting sick? Turns out, these birds have a highly acidic stomach that can neutralize harmful bacteria, allowing them to feast on carcasses that other animals would find toxic. And let's not forget the mantis shrimp. This colorful crustacean has the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, capable of seeing ultraviolet and polarized light. Imagine seeing a world bursting with colors beyond human comprehension. As we delve deeper, the animal kingdom continues to astound us with its incredible adaptations. From tasting with their feet to seeing ultraviolet light, these creatures remind us that there's more than one way to experience the world. So next time you're out in nature, take a moment to appreciate the unusual lifestyles of the critters around you. Could you hide in plain sight? The chameleon can, and it's one of nature's most captivating illusions. Imagine being able to blend seamlessly into your surroundings, to the point where you're virtually invisible. The chameleon, a small, quick and colorful reptile, has this incredible ability. It can change its skin color in the blink of an eye, creating a spectacle that's as fascinating as it is baffling. But how does it do this? It all comes down to special cells called chromatophores. These cells contain pigments and reflect light in different ways, allowing the chameleon to transform its appearance. When a chameleon feels threatened or wants to communicate, it sends a message to these cells, triggering a dazzling display of color change. This isn't just a cool trick, it's a vital survival skill that helps the chameleon communicate, regulate its body temperature, and most importantly, hide from predators. But the chameleon isn't the only master of disguise in the animal kingdom. Let's take a journey to the ocean depths, where the cuttlefish resides. This marine creature is a true virtuoso of visual deception. Using a similar method to the chameleon, it can not only change its color, but also its skin texture, becoming a perfect match for its environment in a matter of seconds. And let's not forget about the leaf-tailed gecko. This small reptile from Madagascar has taken camouflage to the next level. Its body shape, color, and even the texture of its skin mimic the appearance of a leaf, making it almost impossible to spot when it's resting on a tree. In the wild, being seen can be a matter of life and death. These creatures, the chameleon, the cuttlefish, and the leaf-tailed gecko, have turned hiding into an art form. They've evolved to become masters of disguise, using their unique abilities not just to survive, but to thrive in their respective habitats. In the wild, being seen can be a matter of life and death, and these masters of disguise have mastered the art of survival. The cheetah, the world's fastest land animal, can outrun most sports cars, but speed is just one of the many records set by our animal friends. Imagine this: a cheetah, poised and ready, shoots off like a bolt of lightning, reaching speeds of up to 75 miles per hour in just a few seconds. It's a breathtaking sight that leaves one awestruck at the sheer prowess of this magnificent creature. This speed demon of the savannah is not just fast, it's the fastest, holding the title for the quickest creature on land. But let's dive deeper, beyond the land and into the vast expanse of the ocean. Here we find the blue whale, the largest animal ever to have lived on Earth. Yes, you heard that right. Larger than any dinosaur that ever roamed our planet. Weighing as much as 25 elephants, the blue whale is a true marvel of nature, a gentle giant that rules the depths with its sheer size. Now, let's take to the skies. Gliding effortlessly on the wind currents, the albatross boasts the widest wingspan of any bird. With a wingspan reaching up to 11 feet, these masters of the sky can fly thousands of miles without a single flap of their wings, a testament to their incredible endurance and aerodynamic design. These are but a few examples of the record breakers in the animal kingdom. Each one, in its own unique way, pushes the boundaries of what is possible, setting records that leave us humans in awe. They are a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth, a reminder that nature, in all its forms, is truly remarkable. From the fastest to the largest, the animal kingdom is full of record breakers. It's a world that continually astounds us, a world that reminds us of the endless possibilities that exist within the realm of nature. So, the next time you see a cheetah sprint or a blue whale breach, remember, you're witnessing a world record in action. In the world of animals, there's always something new to learn, something fascinating to discover. Our journey today has taken us across continents, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountain peaks, and everywhere in between. We've delved into the unseen world of animals, marveled at their unusual lifestyles, admired the masters of camouflage, and celebrated the record breakers. We've discovered that the heart of a blue whale is so large that a small child could swim through its arteries. We've learned about the remarkable mimic octopus that can imitate up to 15 different species to deter predators. We've even explored the world of the peregrine falcon, the fastest bird on the planet, reaching speeds of over 200 miles per hour. Each of these 17 facts about animals has offered us a glimpse into a world that is as diverse as it is extraordinary. They have shown us that there is much more to our planet and its inhabitants than we could ever imagine. They've reminded us that the animal kingdom is a constant source of wonder and amazement, a world that is always ready to surprise and intrigue us. And this is just the beginning. Our journey into the extraordinary world of animals is far from over. There are still countless species to discover, countless facts to learn, countless stories to tell. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, from the most common pets to the most exotic wildlife, there's always something new, something fascinating, something profound to discover. So if you've been captivated by the world of animals, if you've been intrigued by the facts we've shared, if you've been moved by the stories we've told, then we invite you to join us on this journey. We have so much more to share, so many more facts to discover, so many more stories to tell. If you've enjoyed this journey through the animal kingdom, subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Join us as we continue to explore the extraordinary world of animals.